welcome back to my channel. This is Christine. Today I'm going to do my Amazon haul. Or maybe I won't be doing an Amazon haul. Maybe I'll just separate these. Let's see. Let's see how I feel. Okay, this is my travel pouch where I put my makeup. And I've been seeing lots of people on YouTube that they bought this one. And I'm curious about it. This is like a backpack material. That's what it reminds me of when I see it. Looks like that. So it feels sturdy and it's hard, so it's not gonna, what's the word I'm trying to use? Like this. It's not gonna be mushy or anything, so we'll see. Maybe I'll just use this for something else at home, but we'll see. I like how it's set up. You know, it separates the stuff. You open it up, looks like this. These are hard. It reminds me of the one that I have, my train case for Sephora. That's what they have in it as well. And it's got this with Velcro. This is plastic so you can wipe it down when the brushes are dirty. It has 2 and 4. So it's got 4 slots, but they're pretty big, so you can put multiple brushes in there. And on the side, there's a little opening. And yeah, pretty much this whole thing is the zipper part where you can put things in there as well. I'm curious how my stuff in here would look in one of this. Because I find with the little pouch things where you open it up, it's, you know, I have to dig in there. And this one you don't. You just kind of like organize it nicely and you can see everything. Along with this one is kind of, it reminds me of like a big blanket or a towel. You just put it out there and your stuff are there. I got this for $24.59 at amazon.ca. So like I said, I'm here in Canada, so I got Canadian prices here. I will put my stuff in here. So I got it in this bag. Just gonna put it there and see how they look. I'm not gonna organize it quite too well, just so we get an idea how it is for this video. There. Next thing, uh-oh. I think I already got a problem here. My Norvina. How am I gonna put that in here? So I think I'm gonna have to take these off. So the ones right here. And probably take that where it's gonna fit in there. Like this. Sideways. Or, you know what? Ha. Even better, I can just put it in here on its own. Just like that. Zip it up. So far, it looks like this in there. And I got my mirror. Right here. And this one here, my Clairol for touching up my hair. And my hair clamp thingy. And one of these, I'm not sure what you call this, but it's to put on your foundation. So, with all the stuff I have in here, check the pockets too. Can't forget the pockets. And I got this at the hotel. The little ones like this, so I don't need the Q-tip container, so that's good for me. My little tweezer and some baggies just in case I might need it, because I have definitely had used that before. And I know there's a little pouch in here. Or did I open that already? Ah, it's right here. Okay, my little sharpener right here. So it looks like this with all the stuff. Close it up. Looks like this. like that. So if you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up just so you get an idea what you can put in here, or you know, just what you have in your little pouch like me. And I'll see you next time. My name is Christine J, and don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.